Hi, this is James Taylor with Heritage and Maine Real Estate. Real estate for buyers and sellers that want a relationship and a consultant, not a salesperson. So I'm at a condo getting pictures taken to list this property right after Christmas. And I thought about something I read on Facebook today. There's a seller locally who is looking for recommendations for somebody to change out his smoke detectors. He's already under agreement on his house. He has a listing agent. I'm wondering, why is this listing agent not recommending people for him or actually doing this for him? The same seller posted about getting his garage door fixed. Needs recommendations. Why is the listing agent not giving that person recommendations on who to call to fix his garage door? Full service is what I am. If you need recommendations for anything, you need recommendations to board your pet while you're moving. You need recommendations to fix anything. You need recommendations for a mover. This is what I do. Call me. You won't have to call anybody else. I'll take care of it. I will get you the vendors that you need.